Sengupta from News Moment and you are watching News Moment English. Today's headline: Railway builders will run in Raniganj later to cut electricity and water. International cyber fraud gang busted. 9th are arrested. Chaos due to fire in food shop in Dharmtala. Today, former mayor of Asansol, Shrivastava, reached the house of Vinod Roidas, who lost his life in the Kumbh Mela. He met Vinod Roidas' wife and family and expressed his condolences.
Please like, share and subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563 830285.
Start shipping with e-com delivery. For PIN code franchise courier contact. Please contact 97740301759319088857 to 7585971093.
Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav accused the Uttar Pradesh government to considering the truth number of death at the Mahakumbh in Prayagraj.
The UP government and the Chief Minister have failed morally and politically as well. The government is hiding the death numbers so that they don't have to provide compensation. The government just wants to divert public attention. There is no conspiracy. It is the government's failure. Even saints are saying that Yogi Adityanath is a liar, Akhilesh Yadav said. The Samajwadi Party chief also shared a report on X that said the families of two women from Bengal who died in the stampede claimed to not have received death certificates. The families said they were, instead, given a piece of paper mentioning that the body had been given to them, the report said. Calling for transparency, Akhilesh urged the government to release a list of those who died. The families of the deceased must be informed at the earliest, and a list of all those who lost their lives should be made public, the Kannauj MP stressed.
Railway builders will run in Raniganj later to cut electricity and water.
As per reports from Pawan Sharma, in order to speed up the work of Sun Nagarindal multi-tracking scheme, Railways is running a campaign to remove encroachment from railway lands in various parts. Railways is also facing opposition. Meanwhile, Railways has also decided to run a campaign to vacate the acquired land in Siarsola Mauja of Raniganj city of Asansol Municipal Corporation. A campaign will be run here by Railways on 10th February. Before this, the Railways has written a letter to the Divisional Manager of the State Electricity Department and the Executive Engineer of Asansol Municipal Corporation and sent a list. It contains names of more than 70 people. Railways has requested to cut off water and electricity to all of them. It is noteworthy that it has been told by the Railways that Eastern Railway has started a transformative multi-tracking project from Sunnagar to Andal, the objective of which is to increase the punctuality of trains and freight operations in Asansol division. This initiative is going to address the frequent delays in mail, express, superfast and local trains due to movement of essential goods trains carrying food grains, coal and steel etc. The project aims to ensure smooth operations for both goods trains and passenger trains.
On date payment held for retired employee at DM's office Asansol.
An on-date payment function for the month of January 2025 was organized today, 31st January 2025, at the new conference room Shri Praveen Kumar Prem, Adil. Divisional Railway Manager, Asansol Division handed over the settlement dues, PPO, pension payment order, settlement details and Umid card. Instead of retired employees liberalized health scheme, RELHS, card, to a total of 80 numbers of retired officer staff widow of deceased railway employees. SMT Babal Yadav, Sister DPO Asansol Division, Dr. Shubhankar Ghosh Admo Asansol of Divisional Railway Hospital Asansol and other officers were present at this program.
Demonstration in front of Chinakudi Mine number 3 under the auspices of the entire village community regarding the demand of providing job local youth.
As per reports from working editor Vikas, Prasad people alleged that the company has registered a case against 4 people in the name of obstructing government work to break our movement. Committee Secretary Local Sapan Mahato, Treasurer Jogai Mahato said that.
এই কমিটি সম্বন্ধে আপনি কি বলতে চাইবেন?
আমি বলতে চাই এই কমিটিটা আমাদের মোটামুটি 1 বছর আমরা এই কমিটিটা হলো এই কমিটি নিয়ে আমরা আইসিএলের বুকে আন্দোলন করছি। এই আইসিএলের বুকে আমরা আন্দোলন করছি এই লোকাল ছেলেদের জন্য। আমাদের এই এলাকায় আমাদের কমসে কম জুনুট, সালনি, ভালাডি, বিনোদবান, চিনাকুড়ি, 3 নম্বর, 9 নম্বর যত এলাকা ধরুন আছে সেই এলাকার আমাদের ডিমান্ড আছে যে লোকাল ছেলেদের এখানে কাজে নিযুক্ত করুক এই কোম্পানি। এবং আমাদের যাদের ভিটিসি ধরুন অনেক ছেলের ভিটিসি এখানে আছে এই এলাকায়, অনেক ছেলের সেই এই ভিটিসিগুলো রেনু করে তাদের কাজে যুক্ত করা হোক। এবং যারা এখানে বেকার ছেলে আছে যাদের হয়তো ধরুন ভিটিসি নেই তারাকে ভিটিসি করে পরে তারাকে নিযুক্ত করা হোক কাজে। এবং আমাদের এখানে কিছু আরও ডিমান্ড আছে, লোকাল ডিমান্ড আছে। এই যেমন ধরুন একটা ডিমান্ড আছে যে আমাদের ক্ষেত, যেমন আমাদের এলাকাতে ধরুন এই যে সাবসাইডের একটা ব্যাপার আছে, সেই সাবসাইডের ব্যাপারে ধরুন আমাদের যে কি প্যাকেজ ঘোষণা করবে বা কি আমাদের ক্ষতি হবে বা আমাদের যে ক্ষতি হয়ে গেলে আমরা কোথায় যাব সেই জিনিসগুলো যেমন কোম্পানি চিন্তা ভাবনা করে। আরেকটা জিনিস হলো যে আপনার যেমন এই এলাকাতে উন্নয়ন, যেমন ধরুন ডেভেলপমেন্টের ব্যাপার আছে, সেই ডেভেলপমেন্ট যেমন কোম্পানি করে এইসবই আমরা চাই।
কার সঙ্গে কথা হয়েছে আপনার?
আমাদের মনীষ স্যারের সাথে কথা হয়েছিল, কিন্তু কোনো আজ পর্যন্ত কোনো মানে ধরুন অ্যান্সার কোনো সেরকম আমরা পাইনি বা কোনো আমাদের সুফল কোনো মানে নিশ্চিত কোনো আমাদের মানে কোনো আমরা সফলতা পাইনি এখনো পর্যন্ত।
আপনার নাম?
আমার নাম স্বপন মাহাতো।
Let us know about demands of
যারা
the people.
স্থানীয় রয়েছে তাদেরকে কাজের ব্যবস্থা এখানে করে দিতে হবে। এইখানে দেখা যাচ্ছে যে প্রচুর যারা শ্রমিক রয়েছে বাইরে থেকে এনে কাজ করাচ্ছে, আর আমাদেরকে একজনকেও এখনো পর্যন্ত কাজের ব্যাপারে এরা আশ্রয় দেয়নি, আশ্বাস দেয়নি।
কারা কাজ করেছে এখানে?
এইখানে একটা প্রাইভেট কোম্পানি এসছে, প্রাইভেট ইনোভেটিভ প্রজেক্ট লিমিটেড বলে। এর আগে এসিএল ছিল, এসিএল প্রাইভেট কোম্পানির হাতে তুলে দিয়েছে। আমরা দীর্ঘ 1 বছর ধরে আমরা এই আন্দোলন চালিয়ে যাচ্ছি। আমাদের মেন দাবি হচ্ছে যে আমাদের যে স্থানীয়রা রয়েছে তাদের যেন চাকরি পায়, তারা যেন কাজ করে এইখানে।
কার সঙ্গে কথা হয়েছে আপনাদের?
এইখানে যে এখন ইনচার্জে যিনি আছেন, হ্যাঁ, মনীষ ঝা বলে, ওনার সাথে কথা হয়েছে। ও শুধু একটাই কথা আমাদেরকে বলে আসছে যে আমাদের যখন হ্যান্ড ওভার হবে তারপরেই আমি আপনাদের সাথে বসবো আর আপনাদেরকে কত কি নেওয়া হবে তার ব্যাপারে কথা হবে। কিন্তু আমরা চাইছি যে না, আমাদেরকে আগে যেন আমাদের সাথে বসে এগ্রিমেন্টে আমাদের সাথে করে যে আমরা শুরু থেকে দাবি দিয়েছি যে আমাদের 90% থাকবে, আপনাদের বাইরে থেকে 10% থাকবে।
আপনার নাম?
আমার নাম জোগাই মাহাতো।
এই গ্রাম কমিটি কোন পদে?
সমস্ত গ্রাম কমিটি আমি ট্রেজারে আছি।
ট্রেজারার আছে?
হ্যাঁ, ট্রেজারারে আছি। আমাদের সেক্রেটারি আছে এখানে স্বপন মাহাতো, এবং পীযূষ কান্ত মাহাতো উনি আছেন প্রেসিডেন্টে।
International cyber fraud gang busted. 9th are arrested.
Scammers defrauded a retired employee of around 1 crore rupees 3 lakh by keeping him in digital arrest for 6 days. The complaint regarding the matter was registered in the cyber cell of Asansol South Police Station, after which the police started action. DC headquarters of Asansol Durgapur Police Commissionerate, Arvind Kumar Anand, told in the press conference that the thugs contacted the victim by posing as officials of the government agency. He said that investigation is going on charges of sending illegal goods to Singapore through courier, and CBI has arrested him for disconnecting the phone. Due to the threat, the victim followed the instructions of the scammers for 6 consecutive days and transferred 1.03 crore rupees to 2 different accounts given by them. After investigating the case in depth, the police found evidence related to an international cyber gang. After this, 6 accused were arrested from Kolkata and 3 from Delhi.
Distingling businessman Vishwajit Gandhi has passed away.
Shilpanchal's prominent businessman Vishwajit Gandhi passed away on Saturday morning. There's an atmosphere of mourning in Shilpanchal due to the news of his demise. He was ill for a long time. He was admitted to Mid-West Hospital in Asansol for treatment, where he breathed his last. He has left behind his entire family. He was a very friendly person. On his demise, TMC leaders Malay Ghatak, V. Shivdasan Dasu, Abhijit Ghatak, Gurudas Chatterjee, BJP leaders Jitendra Tiwari, Krishnendu Mukherjee, Fosbexi General Secretary Sachin Rai, Credis Binod Gupta, Coalfield Timber Association's Sanjay Tiwari, Asansol Chamber of Commerce Advisor Naresh Agarwal Secretary Shambhunath Jha, Mukesh Todi, Shravan Agarwal, Satpal Singh Kirpinki, Manoj Saha, Jagdish Bagri of SBFCI, VK Dal, Arun Sharma of Mahavir Sthan, Sudeep Agarwal of Marwadi Yuva Manch, Anand Parikh, Surjeet Singh Makkar of Sikh Welfare Society, Pintu Gupta of Bazar Committee. Adi expressed deep condolences.
Chaos due to fire in food shop in Dharmtala.
A fire suddenly broke out in a food shop in Dharmatla area of Kolkata on Saturday morning, due to which smoke spread in the entire area. As soon as information about the fire was received, 2 fire engines reached the spot. But due to the rapid spread of the fire, 3 more fire engines had to be called later. The incident took place at a small food shop located near a popular biryani shop in the New Market area. Due to the area being densely populated, panic spread among the local people as soon as the fire broke out. The building where the fire broke out has some offices and families on the upper floors who were left shaken by the incident. There is no information about any casualty in this accident. Hearing the news of the fire, shopkeepers in the area panicked and traffic on the busy roads of Dharmatla was disrupted for some time. The extent of damage caused to the shop by the fire is being assessed. The fire department is investigating the cause of the fire.
Rupnarayanpur police arrested 3 accused thieves from different houses.
As per reports from Papun Paul, the police of Rupnarayanpur outpost of Salanpur police station arrested 3 wanted thieves for allegedly being involved in thefts in various houses in Rupnarayanpur. It is known that thefts occurred in various houses including Pithakeri, Roopnagar, Shansripali, West Rangamti for a few months. The police got information from secret sources and arrested 3 people yesterday evening. The names of the arrested are Naseeb Khan, Vishal Hari, and Rahul Hari. They are all residents of Rupnarayanpur area. According to police sources, all 3 of them are involved in incidents like theft and robbery. There are cases in their names in different police stations. Today, the arrested were sent to Asansol court. They want 10 days of police custody subject to police investigation. However, according to police sources, several other people are involved with them.
West Bengal Medical.
The West Bengal Medical Council has been accused of paying honorarium illegally and targeting junior doctors. This controversy came to light when RG. He was accused of taking action against some junior doctors who were protesting over the rape and murder case that took place in Kar Medical College. The main allegation against the council is regarding the monthly honorarium of 50,000 rupees, which is being given to its 3 members. Whereas there is no provision for any such payment in the Bengal Medical Act, 1994. There is huge dissatisfaction in the medical world regarding this illegal payment. The Calcutta High Court on Thursday delivered its verdict in another case in which Council Registrar Manas Chakraborty is accused of unauthorized retention of office. His tenure ended in November 2019, but he still holds the post. Another serious allegation is that the Medical Council reinstated as its member a doctor known as RG. The tax was earlier suspended on charges of promoting bullying culture following the rape and murder case. Council insiders say that these allegations are not only verbal, but also recorded in official letters sent to the State Health Department since October 2023, when the entire state was in outrage over this heinous crime. Recently, the council sent a show cause notice to Asfaqullah Naya, one of the prominent faces of the junior doctors movement. He was accused of running a private practice as an ENT specialist without the required degree. Police investigation was also started against him.
Today, former mayor of Asansol, Shrivastava, reached the house of Vinod Rohidas, who lost his life in the Kumbh Mela. He met Vinod Rohidas' wife and family and expressed his condolences.
Not only Jitendra Tiwari, but state opposition leader Shri Subhendu Adhikari also spoke to Vinod Rohidas's wife on phone and consoled her. The officer assured all kinds of help to the family. Vinod Rohidas was a resident of Jamuria of Asansol. According to family sources, he met with stampede in Mahakumbh while on his way to the Kumbh Mela, which resulted in the loss of his life. There has been a wave of mourning in the entire area due to his demise. During the meeting with the family, Mr. Tiwari said, "I and my team are with the family in this difficult time. All possible assistance will be provided."
Sabla Mela inaugurated in NCC ground, nearby Polo ground.
State Law and Judicial Minister Moli Ghatak, District Magistrate, Deputy Mayor Abhijit Ghatak, and several others were present. Let us hear what District Magistrate says.
Honorable MIC, Labour Department एवं Law and Justice Department उन्हें उपस्थित आछेन आरो उपस्थित आछेन माननीय अभिजीत घटक महाशय माननीय डेप्यूटी मेयर आसनसोल म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन और उपस्थित आछेन जमुरिया पंचायत समितिर सभापति मैडम और उपस्थित आछेन माननीय गुरुदास चैटर्जी महाशय MMIC आसनसोल म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन और मौसमी मैडम आছেন आरो এখানে আমাদের মিডিয়া বন্ধুরা রয়েছেন আর আমাদের আধিকারিকদের মধ্যে পিডি ডিআরডিসি উপস্থিত আছেন আমাদের মহকুমা শাসক মহাশয় উপস্থিত আছেন আমাদের ডিস্ট্রিক্ট এসএসজি এসি দপ্তরের ডিস্ট্রিক্ট ইনচার্জ রয়েছেন আরো আমাদের দপ্তরের আধিকারিকরা এখানে উপস্থিত রয়েছেন এই মেলাটা সাবলা মেলাটা সারা রাজ্য জুড়ে সমস্ত জেলাতে एसएसजी एवं एसी.
At last, it's time for today's SMS of the moment.
A budget is more than just a series of numbers on a page. It is an embodiment of our values.
We hope you like our video. If you do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.